We're back. I don't know why I did that. I've been watching too much Will and E, and he does that. Firstly, I want to introduce you to my new daily. It is a lovely 3-door DSG Mark V non-sunroof, which is exactly what I wanted, in a nice colour, graphite blue. I think it's quite a rare colour because I've seen maybe 3 or 4. We actually bought this off of Lucas, who you will have seen in old videos. This was his daily. He's now bought a 5 Series, and I bought this. It does have a few problems. Nothing crazy, nothing that we can't fix, but I got it at a good price. First big problem, it has ginger wings. All Mark 5s does it. Headlights are a bit hazy. We're going to sort them today, hopefully. It's got little bits of paint around the car, like we've had a stone chip. I had a new windscreen the other month, and it's already chipped again. But obviously where it's hit the windscreen, it's hit the roof. I have bought the touch-up paint. I also bought a sick number plate. I was quite impressed when I found it. Matched R32 MKV, if you didn't understand. But yeah, we're going to be fucking about with today, because if you remember from another video, a woman hit my wing mirror when we was at gym. It's done a little bit of damage, nothing crazy. Yeah. I've now bought carbon ones. We've got a few things to do today. Little bits to smarten up your GTI. Might be a bit of an idea for anyone who's watching who also has a GTI and you want to tie it up. Follow me, Thomas. For one reason, I've not really done a lot to this car because I wanted me and Tom to film it. So I've done a few little things like little bits of carbon badging and some carbon stuff in the interior. We've got some more interior stuff coming soon, don't worry. It also, one of the things it come with from Lucas was a sub.
And a book full of potatoes.
Yeah, for the finest Lithuanian potato baseline. Firstly, fucking zing that over there. Some sexual carbon mirrors. Finest Chinese carbon.
Lovely.
The best kind of carbon. I've also bought these. They're not actually blue, it's just the film over them. But they are carbon
overlays.
Yeah, they're like carbon overlays for B-pillars. So they're going to make the outside look a little bit more special. Because it's a bit bland. I've also bought these. Every boy racer's dream.
An underage girl.
Some carbon eyelids to make the front end look a bit more better. A bit more better. A bit more better.
A bit more better, Thomas.
Yeah, like my GCSEs that I clearly didn't pay attention to.
Do you want to do a shout out to North Korea or China at this point?
Yeah. Shout out to the 3-fingered kids in sweatshops. Thank you for these parts. Yeah. Obviously one of these was damaged, so I had to buy another pair.
Lovely.
Steady. Nice touch. Comes with a trim tool. The kids in sweatshops are very thoughtful. And also, this isn't for my car, this is for Tom's. It's a heat shield, which I went and collected.
It's for when engines that I can cook an egg on it. Yeah. Hashtag games, lightweight.
Yeah.
Just have to do a little bit of mechanicking quick.
Not too.
Not too much mechanicking.
I'm letting Tom do this because when I stick stuff down, it goes on the piss.
Welcome back to Tom Parker's professional headlight restoration. Just bought this kit, little cheap kit. I said cheap, about 30 quid. Just going to polish Jack's headlights up, make them look a little bit better than what they are now. So it comes in a pack of 4. We'll go start off with number 1.
This is what they are first. Bit hazy, a bit scratched.
Looks good when they're wet, but
Yeah.
so Jack's had a go at one headlight, done an okay job, decent.
I wouldn't say that.
First attempt, decent.
But
So-
at the same time, Tom got wound up and then we took it off anyway. we've done one. Say so. That's one basically done. We're just going to put this spray on it. No spray, no lay. Smells nice.
Fucking hell, doesn't smell that. Whoa, that looks mint.
So then we've just got to do this one now, and then we've got to stick some Chinese carbon on it.
30 quid.
Loads better.
Or Sullivan Detailing is now in full swing. How about that?
Have I missed anything?
I'll carry on for you.
That's a yes.
No, you're not missed out. I just want to make sure it's even.
That's the mighty forehead holding some freer. But yeah, Tom's done a good job. They're loads better. I still want Xenons, but they are better than they were. They'll do.
They look mint then. 30 quid. I fucking can't believe it. Like, you were literally going to buy some new lights, and that has just fucking solved all your problems, man.
I think I still might.
Oh, mint.
Lean on me.
Lean on. As I said.
Did it not stick?
Yeah, it's sticky as fuck. But we've sanded that down so it's proper smooth.
One side's on, other side is in progress. It weren't sticking, as you might have seen, but that's just because we made it so smooth. Smoother than Tom in a woman's DMs. Looks a little bit better, doesn't it?
You can still see it inside where it's burnt, but mint that.
At least when they're off it'll look like better. But even where the indicators are, it looks loads cleaner there, doesn't it? So this one had an accident in my ownership, and then before this one's velcroed up. Lucas, you've got some explaining to do.
Lucas, we want a full refund of the full 10 potatoes and £1,000 for this.
I'm going to save these because I need new wings, so I'm going to use these to paint match the wings. I need to sort out that light as well. Look at that.
Boom.
He's done that before.
See his face
Do you
anyway.
think you're funny?
I'm funny.
Do you think you're funny?
I'm funny. I looked at your face then.
Professional mechanic Tom tries to put a wing on upside down.
Don't it take it piss, Ethan, you'd notice and you're suddenly looking like, that don't look right.
I'm thinking, does he think I'm thick? And I'm like, yeah, he does.
Damn, boy. Get this guy some milk. Look at that, it's fucking sick.
My plan is to get them all in carbon as well.
They're sick.
Loads better than that.
Yeah, mint, proper mint. Right, got that screwdriver big one. Say that little scraper tool, I use it for when I'm mixing back. I roll that in there.
You can have it. That's my payment for this job, this one little chisel.
Chinese chisel.
Chinese.
Chisel. When it wank a bit about breaking one of these, obviously from crash, you fucking have to change both, don't you? Because they're fucking different.
I think the motor's fucked in that though when she hits it. Because it doesn't adjust right. It adjusts out okay, but in's a bit of a struggle, so I think it's ripped a few teeth off. But it'll do.
That other one's been smashed off, so it's only got one bolt holding it in, this one's got two.
Yeah.
No ding. Oh, she's lovely, back together.
And obviously from the crash, that's how the other one was left. I think we're lucky, to be honest, that we're LEDs can still work, obviously, because it's just that strip.
Look at that, it clipped edge at casing and it didn't like smash mirror off.
Stick hazards on. I know what you mean, like the line's longer.
And it's new, it looks like clean.
Bad boy.
Big install.
You can keep your engine swaps.
Let's go.
But yeah, it looks better, loads better.
Right, Jack's now going to clean that up.
So, I know it's only been a short video, but just, it's the usual things. When you buy a new car, these are the first things you do. I bought some other spicy bits, so you will see them. But obviously this isn't the way I wanted to introduce, oh, I've bought a new car, it's been crashed into. But these things happen, it's me, I've got bad luck. Loads better. They were dead scratchy before. And then obviously they're just the usual little carbon eyelids that people put on. I think they look loads better. Just a little bit meaner. See how I feel about them. Leave them for a bit. Some sexy carbon wing mirrors. Definitely needed. And I know what Tom means now. Obviously the ones I had on before, they come with a car that Lucas put on. And they were like a little bit thinner and not as clear. But these are nice. And then obviously...
The pièce de résistance.
Yeah. These, I've been eyeing these up for ages. Because I was unsure about the price. Because they were like 80 quid for this thin strip of carbon. But they just make the outside look a little bit less boring. Obviously when I work at night and I work in a like cold warehouse. So I come out most of the time, I go to work when it's dark and I come back when it's dark. So all I really see for the car is like going into the door. So that's how I justified it in my head. And obviously we fixed the rear bulb has been out for about 3 weeks and I've just left it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this down below, or if there's anything you'd have done differently. Or if there's anything you can think of that I want to do. Like for instance, I'm going to do the carbon spoiler to match. If there's anything else you think I need, let me know and we'll see you in a bit. Take care.